Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Kevin, and today's video I'll be showing you how to remix a song. Specifically, we're going to be remixing Fistus Maxwell featuring Cloney and Mellow Soul, I'm Free. In this tutorial, I'll be using this plugin called Expand throughout the project. With the chord progression, we're going to use this preset called Steel Drum Piano. Let's now make our chord progression. Also, you can get this is the D flat minor 7, so also you can get it by going here, minor 7, then you can click on a D flat. So this is basically the same thing. So that is our chord progression. So for the saxophone, I'm going to be using this preset, clarinet. And this is how it sounds with our chord progression. So I wanted to differentiate the main chords with the chords that I'm going to add on the chorus. So I opted for this preset, the soft harp and the strings, and I created this pattern. Basically, this is the same as our main chord progression, and I only just added this chord. For the melody, I used this preset and the mallets, Celeste. For the bass, I used the DX10 E flute. I like this bass because it's so clean. It's a clean sine bass. When it comes to the second bass, I opted for the log drum. I modified it a bit, so I put in these two Grows Beat plugins. I opted for Complex 3. For the second one, I opted for the for Complex 8 and the time, and this is how it sounds overall. This is my kick. Het. Conga. Rimshot. This is my snare. I opted for this shaker. I also used this drum perk. For my chants, I used these two. So now guys, we've come to the end of the video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time, cheers.